After you have purchased and downloaded the All-in-one Image CAPTCHA Pro plugin, log into your website, click on Plugins, click Add New, click on Upload Plugin, click Choose File, and then navigate to your newly downloaded plugin, select it, and click Install Now. I've already done that process, so it's already in my plugins list. So once you see that, click Activate. And then once activated, if you wish to add it to a Contact Form 7 form, you go to Contact, and then click on the form you wish to update or add it to. Click on, in my case, Default. This is my testing site, so I have a couple different forms on here. And so here, I'll add the shortcode CF7IC and click Save. Now, when I go to the form itself, refresh, I've already added some styling, so it's not gonna look like the default view. But here you see it's showing up. So click Send, and it works as expected. Select an icon. And again, this is a testing site, so I've been testing out different icon options. So you'll see stuff that doesn't really match the default. If, say, you wish to add the toggle option, you simply go here, put in double quote, type in toggle, save your settings, go back, and now your form should hide by default. And now you can click and it will add it. If you want to add it to Gravity Forms, you'd simply go to your Gravity form and, sorry for this delay, and you can drop it in through the advanced fields. Down at the bottom, you'll see the image CAPTCHA. You click on that, you can drag it in, and that will add the image CAPTCHA. And that's it.